Hello, my pearls. I hope everybody is doing well. Y'all, it's the end of the week, and I'm so glad because it's been a long week. And I'm looking forward to this wash day. I always look forward to wash day, but particularly now more than ever since I've been experimenting more with wash and goes. So speaking of experimenting, I've got a combo that I'm going to try today. This is by Aunt Jackie's. You probably are already familiar with it. This is the Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. And the last time I used this was for a twist out. I used it with Texture ID primer, if I remember correctly. And y'all, I've got one of my best elongated, shiny, moisturized flat twist outs. It was one of my best, but I used Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls, and I'm using that today on my wash and go. Actually, I'm just going to use it on half of my hair by itself, and then on the other side, my left side, I'll be using Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Style Milk as a leave-in underneath the Aunt Jackie's on this side. And the reason I'm doing this is because I'm really just trying to keep moisture in my hair, and I don't know how the Aunt Jackie's will do on its own on my hair, if it will be moisturized or if it will be a little dry, and I don't want dry. So I'm doing half and half ice curls and half ice curls with leave-in conditioner, just to see how my hair reacts, and then I'll know going forward if I need a leave-in with the ice curls or if I don't. So I'm going to jump in, and I'm in my bathroom today because I feel like I can see better in here. But I've just got my hair split down the middle, kind of, and I'm going to make this part a lot straighter, I think. So I'm going to make my part straighter and then go ahead and apply my left side first so I won't forget, and then the right side. Here we go. All right, pearls, I got my part as straight as I think I'm going to get it, so I'm going to go ahead and start applying my leave-in, which is the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk. I have never used this. This was gifted to me, and I'm so appreciative. It says it's a moisturizing style milk. It helps to detangle, condition, and control curls while restoring body and shine. Apply as a no-rinse conditioner and styling cream to damp, towel-dried hair as needed. So it is my leave-in, and smells real nice. Right now, it's just, from what I just smelled, it's a very light scented, and I typically use way too much product on my hair. I'm trying to stop that because I'm just using extra that I don't need, and I don't want to waste my money. So just making sure this is all in. I will add a little bit more though. It don't feel like it's enough, y'all. And I'll tell you too, this product does say on the front of the bottle it is for thick curly hair. I don't have thick hair, and I guess it can be considered curly, but I definitely don't have thick hair. I did a mix test of the Shea Moisture with the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls, and they mixed really well together, so I'm hoping everything will work out well for me. All right, got the Shea Moisture in. Just gonna make sure it's all nice and detangled. And now Aunt Jackie's. All right, so if you've never used Aunt Jackie's, it is clear like ice, and it's enriched with almond oil and marshmallow root. It gives definition, elongation, and sensational shine. That's what it says on here. Treat your curls, waves, twists, or locks to this intensive moisture remedy infused with hydrating grapeseed and almond oils, marshmallow root for softness, superior hydration, and manageability. Take it from me, I've used it before, and all those things are true. But it says apply as needed. It works best when used on clean, wet, or damp hair for wash and go styles, which is what I'm doing today. Apply throughout sections of freshly shampooed and conditioned hair, raking it through with fingers, and then you can air dry or diffuse. Now, I don't want to use this big section. Let me break this up. Probably used too much, y'all. Let me put some of that back. Okay, let's see what we got here. Now, look at this. I put the Shea Moisture on here and the Aunt Jackie's, and it's really not even, it's frizzy. All right, pearls, product is all put in. I see this side, you know, making some moves. It's still not quite what I was hoping, but we'll see what it looks like when it dries. So here is the side with the Shea Moisture leave-in. And here's the side without the Shea Moisture leave-in. There's definitely a difference. This side has more defined waves and crinkles than this one does, which is so surprising to me. It's starting to dry. I still got that frizz right there though. Let me just try putting a little bit more Aunt Jackie's on it and see if that helps. I don't know. I may be doing too much. Pearls, I'm back with the dry hair. And to me, both sides of my hair look pretty much the same, but there is one major difference. So this is the side that I use the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk on as my leave-in underneath the Aunt Jackie's. This side is just the Aunt Jackie's ice curls. And the main difference is this side with the leave-in is very soft. It's too soft. I feel like when I take my hair down out of my out of my scrunchie in the morning, like it's gonna be flat. There's just barely a hint of hold on this side. But that just means that the Shea Moisture Style Milk did its job. It kept my hair moisturized. It's definitely not dry, but there's no hold. Even with the amazing Aunt Jackie's on top, there's not a lot of hold, and I'm not confident that this will last me at all, this side. The Aunt Jackie side, there's a flexible, gentle hold, which I love. This is what I'm used to my hair feeling like since I've been doing the wash and goes this past, just couple of months. I'm very much a newbie, but I do know what feels right and what's going to last. and what's not going to last. This has nothing to do with the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk. Like I said, the Shea Moisture did its job. I just know that this is not a combo to put together, and the Aunt Jackie's is so good, I don't even need a leave-in. I feel like I might be able to use more product even on the Aunt Jackie's when I do it. Maybe, maybe not. I mean, it's right now, it's perfect. I'll see how my hair holds up over the next few days. But like I said, really, just at first glance, both sides look the same. My hair, both sides have so much shine. I think this side has more definition. I had to stop myself when I first looked in the mirror when I got from under the hairdryer. I was honestly disappointed. I expected to see something else. I don't know what I expected because the shine is here. I see the definition in my hair. And what it is, I've come to realize, it's the shape of my hair that I don't like. I have long layers in some areas that are almost, my hair is almost the same length, but it's not. So some areas are a little shorter. I've got this little mullet thing in the back. The portion coming from my crown kind of tightens up, but the back near my nape hangs down. And that's what makes me not love. That's what initially made me not love this hair. I'm looking at all the wrong things. I'm like, I don't have a curly cut. So of course it's not going to be that cute little heart shape, wash and go. And y'all, my hair is fine. I was focused on the wrong thing, but the way that my hair feels, the shine that it has, the definition that it has, why would I not be pleased with this? And a little banding or stretching of the area in the back, my mullet, that's nothing that a little bit of stretching won't fix. So here is my half Aunt Jackie's without leave-in and half Aunt Jackie's with leave-in. The product is amazing. It's over there out of shot, but Aunt Jackie's is amazing, and I knew that it was, and that's why I couldn't wait to use it on my wash and go. So we'll see how many days I get out of this style. The beauty of it is these items are ones I already had, so I didn't go out and spend money on something that didn't make me 100% happy. So I can just rewash it and redo it again with just Aunt Jackie's. Ladies, I appreciate you for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in week after week after week. It means so much to me. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.